So good morning once again. So this morning is live trading. We had a live trading, a live analysis on Thursday concerning NFP. Then many people had that trade. We had over 37 million volume already. Some people on this set had the same trade on Friday, and I believe that a lot of them are on profit, or a few of them they're on profit. So if you are on this thread, please can you just identify yourself? We have to treat that first. Let's check how much you have gained and everything, and see what next. Because here now we will make further analysis to see if the impact of NFT is still valid. If we can trade more on it, we trade more on it. If it's not, we look for another alternative to work on. Then we will also, if we have time, we'll go into a lecture on commodity trading. But this class, for the note you receive, this class will end by 12, not by 2, because it's a live interactive class. It's not like proper class. So it's our Thursday class that we have enough time, because there is more of teaching. So someone said, I'm still on the thread. I'm still on the thread. So if you make that thread, it could just like indicate, maybe I could mute you. You can tell us what happened, how much you gained, you have gained so far, and something like that.
I've already indicated.
Yeah, somebody said, okay, Antonia, yeah, Antonia, you are on that thread, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, in fact, okay, continue.
Okay, I've been looking at the trade. I even sent a message on the Instagram so that you can tell me when to exit the trade, when to close it. At a point, I noticed on my USD JPY, I was making over $11. But as we speak now, it's $3.86. So I don't understand if the trend is going against me or what is happening.
USDJPY is here. Okay, there's a short retracement. Who else placed that trade?
You said?
No, I'm asking if another person placed the trade.
I think I have two. Then I have
okay, you have on Euro USD.
Yeah, I have on Euro USD. Euro USD is actually gaining. I think, let me check the profit on that. Euro USD, I think I'm selling on Euro USD. I'm getting $12.54. It just is going up. So the only challenge I've been having, I don't know when to close it. Is it
okay? So I will show you. I will show you how to close it. But we have discussed that last time on our meeting, how to close trade. Probably you have forgotten, but
I know how to close. When? What conditions should I look for before I close?
Oh, okay. I understand your question. Yeah. Yes. I understand. There are things to look out for before you close a trade. Like I can see on Euro USD still valid. For example, let me just analyze back. So for those of us who were not here, because I can see new names were added here that we are not in the class. Now we talked about FS fundamentals and the top 10 trading fundamentals. That was on I think on Thursday. So, and we discussed NFP as one of them. And good for us that last week, NFP was coming up on Friday, which was the same week. That's last week. So we discussed about the impact and how to apply it and how to analyze it and utilize it in profit making. Now, this is NFP, it's called non-farm payroll. We discussed that since NFP is about number of employment jobs gained in the United States from the previous month, and which has a strong impact on the currency if the number of jobs is high. And if the number of jobs is weak or is low, it will cause weak. It will weaken the dollar, and the price of dollar may fall. Now on Friday, NFP report was 272,000 jobs, and what was expected was 182,000. And what was the previous one? What was the previous one was 165,000. So because of that, there was a kind of a very clear indication that more jobs were added last month than the month of May. So than the month of April, which was 165,000. So because of that, it added a very strong strength on dollar. So dollar gained strength against euro. So on forex chart, since dollar is the counter currency here and euro is base, it means when the market is falling, dollar is gaining strength, and when the market is rising, euro is gaining strength. So on that news, we could see that dollar gains strength. So euro and euro dollar have to fall in price. So the market was here. The market came down to this point, and this morning it is still coming down. Then on USD JPY, which dollar is based, the market was here. The market went up straight to this point. On the Britain pound USD, sorry, Britain pound USD, where is here? On Britain pound USD, the market was here when the news was released. The market came down. So you could see that our analysis worked 100% based on the NFP, and that was why Antonia sold dollar. Antonia sold dollar, and
What's euro?
Antonia sold euro and dollar, and she's on profit. There's another person that sold on our live trading. I don't know if the person is here. If you say, can you identify yourself? There's somebody sold on Friday, on Thursday. The person should be on bigger profit now because the person sold at a very high price. There's somebody that did a live practice with us. I don't know if that person is here. I don't know her name. If you're here, if you're part of people that sold, she used a small account and sold. That
Yes, I'm the one, sir. I'm the one.
Oh, okay. Okay, what's your name? Linda?
My name is, yes, Anaka Linda Ogochukwu.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Yeah, Ogochukwu, I can remember. It's Ogochukwu you told us. I hope you're on profit now.
Yes, $10.14 dollars.
It's $10.14. And we use 0.01, that the least volume. Now, that means you have made over 10%. Because the money was small amount of profit. Yeah. So
yes,
have you now known the reason why we gained, why you gained?
Yes.
So can you just explain it, please?
It's based on the analysis you did on Thursday and what we're expecting from the American workforce.
Yeah, but there was another thing that we discussed concerning it before that thing came up.
Sorry, as I told you, I was so distracted because I was at work. I don't know.
Okay. We discussed about support and resistance before that time. And the price of euro dollar was on support, was on resistance level. So we use that analysis to place a first trade. So then when we analyze the impact of NFP and see that the forecast was 182,000, we still expect that, okay, if more job again, the price of euro would drop, and the buying and selling at that point could be good for us. Then that was why we asked you to sell, despite that there was no news on fundamentals. So what we use in trading that account was technical analysis using the support and resistance. Do you understand? So, you know, we just need to understand why we are doing what we are doing. So it will help you more. Do you understand? So
yes, I do.
So that is one of the reasons. So if you watch the previous recorded version, you see why when we analyze it and mention it, then you'll be able to understand further. Now, two factors now played in your favor. So the resistance strategy works perfectly, and fundamental analysis work perfectly. That's why you are on a good profit. So you have hit 10% of your money. Why you are getting 10% is based on the lot size that you are using. So assuming the lot size is big, assuming you are using 0.02, place that you should be getting about $20 now. If you use 0.03, you should be getting about $30. Assuming you have like 2 or 3 places, that should be $30 times 3. That would be like $90, probably over 90% of your capital. This is how people make the big money. They look for potential opportunity and strike on it, and they are out of the market. Do you understand? Now, Antonia,
yes,
back to your question. So if you want to close it, I can show you how to close it. If you want to close it. So back to your question concerning when to exist. There are rules we check in existing the market. So if you check Euro USD, the impact of NFP is still there. Like the market even opened at a much lower price this morning. The market opened here at a very much lower price. Now the market is still coming down. That's why you're getting more. Sometimes what to look out for when we want to close the position is when it has started forming a support. Now, a support zone is something like this. Let me use this. Something like this is like a support zone, like this. So when market forms something like this, it's like it's forming a support where it will go off. For example, this market is coming down, but it has not yet formed a support, and it has broken this support here. It has broken the support. So a lot of support and resistance is that if a support is broken, it's supposed to get that the market may most likely fall more down. So the market may get, this price may get to this price, 1.0717, or it may fall further. But there are ways of managing the risk. We have to practicalize it probably with a Organa account and Linda. Organa, now, as you have made that $10 now,
yes, sir.
that is a very big peep. Forget about the money in value, just that your account size is small. You have gained more than, let me check, you have gained 140 pips. That's how much you have gained. That 140 pips,
Okay.
assuming it's 1 pip, $10. You'll be having $1,490 profit this morning.
Wow.
Wow.
With $100.
No. You can't use it with $100 because the account is small.
Okay.
Yeah, but if you have a high leverage, you can use maybe a bigger, maybe 0.5 or 0. something based on the broker. So assuming you are using $50 contract, that'll be $50 times 140 something. So the same market again, they give you $10. In our company, we have 37 million volume plus on the same market. Then someone else has gained probably $1,000. Someone else have gained 10,000. Someone else have gained 100,000. Someone else have gained. It depends on how much you are controlling and the kind of contract you can hold. Contract means volume. I'm sorry, I'm using the standard term. In the exchange, we call them contracts. We don't call them volume or lot size.
Okay, Mr. Uche, can I say something, please, at this point?
Okay.
Because I'm really interested in understanding how this whole the trading works. So are you saying for her account that she had I think 0.01 that you used, she had $100. But someone that's a similar account that has $2,000 with the movement from that Thursday till now, what would have been, the person would have made more than 100% off?
If you have $2,000 and probably you use 0.2, that is $2 per movement. So that is $148 times 2. Okay, let's assume it's $150. Let's assume it's 150 pips. Let's say you'll be making $300 profit.
Okay.
So assuming you are a high risk taker, like big boys that like to take high risk, that $2,000 they may use bigger lot size, maybe $5 per movement. So now that would be 5 times 150. Let me check it on calculator.
That would have been $750.
Yes, probably that would be $750. So now, if those guys that has $10,000, $50,000, I know, like some people that has big money, they may, let's say 5 times 150. That would be 750. So assuming that position was placed in three places, maybe on Euro USD, between pound USD, USD, JPY, that was 750 times 3.
$2,250.
Yes, that would be the same profit the person will be making.
Wow, that would be cool.
You get what I mean? So let's say the person has $10,000 account or $20,000 account, and the person is using 10 volume, like making $10 per movement. That would be 10 times 150. What I want at 500. So if you hold the position into 5 places times 5, that would be 7,500 that you have made on this particular analysis.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why when we say that our target is to make sure anybody who trade with us most likely earn between $10,000 to 100,000. We are not trying to entice you. We have developed a system that can allow you make that money, unless if the person doesn't have capital that can, you know what I mean, achieve that. But no matter what, you should be able to make money. Like Ogonna now has made $10. She can withdraw that money and use it to buy pizza. Then, for example, Antonia, if you check very well, the price you bought is different from the price you sold is different from the price Antonia Ogonna bought.
Yeah, Ogonna bought, I didn't enter the market on time.
So now, check very well, you're using bigger volume than Ogonna. That's why you're getting about $12 something. While Ogonna, since Thursday, she gained about $10 something because their volume is higher than her own volume. And probably your capital is higher than her own capital. Then and again, if you had entered the same price that she entered, you should be getting more than up to $50 or $40 based on, because you enter at a very higher price.
Okay, so when you are selling, you enter at a high price, you sell at a low price, or you take your profit at a low price.
Yes, you sell at a higher price and buy at a low price. So you can choose to close your trade or you modify it. For example, Ogonna, let's use the account as a case study. For example, you sold here. Let's assume you sold here because the market have never dropped that time. This was on Thursday. The market was at this point at 1.09. I'm sure that's the price that you sold. Now the market has come to 1.07. It's a very big drop. So let's say you don't want to close that profit, but you don't want to lose. You don't want it to retrace back to 1.09, which is practically impossible at this moment because it will take a lot of time for the market to go back to that price. It has fallen and broke the support. Then you could modify your stop loss maybe to 1.08. This thing is called trending stop on automated system, but manually can modify it. And if you modify it now, it means you can never lose that profit again, even though the market reverse.
Okay, I think I would like to do that too.
Do you understand? Now, we do that more if we have not identified a reversal zone. Based on what you asked me, Antonia, when should you leave the market? So we leave the market by when we think that the market strength has elapsed. And how we will know is that the market will start forming a support. That support is when you see two candles, when this candle close, another candle form and go up of the same capacity, is a sign of reversal. So example is something you see here. So you see something like this. This double candle is a sign of reversal. Like a candle formed here. This was a sell candle. But at the end of the closing of the market, the next day the market form again, have similar strength. It's a sign of reversal. So it's also applicable here. As you can see, this thing too. It's also applicable. Now you see why the market came down. Similar thing also formed here. So it is a sign of it's a sign of support, forming a support and resistance level. It means that strength has elapsed. Another thing you could use to notice is also something like this. You see something like this? See this arrow?
Yes. Yeah.
Or something like it's not. There's no one down arrow. Okay, something like this too.
Sir, why don't you use the live account? What is happening right now to explain
this live market? This live market is connected to live.
Okay, this is live.
It's live. I'm trying to show you the previous chart, how to identify it, because it has not formed here. This is the current market, but there's no support zone. The market is still falling. But assuming this market form another one, the candlestick reverse form a similar candlestick that goes up. That is a sign that the strength of this selling has, has gone weak. So it's most likely going to go up. Or at that point, we can close our sell.
Yeah, I think I'm having something like that now.
I'm using a daily chart to analyze. Then secondly, you can choose to close if we hit our target. Like when we talk about business plan, business plan help us to decide when to stay in the market or when to leave the market. It's not necessary to trade, to be in the market until the whole until everyone kind of exists the market. I think I have a sample of business plan. This is a trading plan. I think you can see my
yes. Let me show this.
Yeah. So you can see it now. Then you see that this is a plan drafted on $10,000 account, for example. So the target is 15% per month. Now, let's assume too is a $100 account. And organized trading on this plan of 15% per month. So last Friday, she has made 10% already. It means she's having about 5% to complete her target. But sometimes this target, you can meet this target in one trade. You can meet it in two trades. You can meet 3 or 4 months target in one trade. I think I said that before last week.
Yeah.
So now, let's say now you have a trading plan like this. This is a trading plan, how you can follow up and know if you can hit about 255% return per annum. And they're able to use it, if you grow it, I can accumulate from 10,000 to 35,000 per annum. This is like a medium risk. It's not like a high risk. On a high risk, in a short period, this account can become any amount of profit. Like what happened on Friday, you can use it to double an account. You know what I mean? But people who trade on low risk can target between 5 to 15% every month and grow it gradually. So even if they're not able to meet up to 55% per annum, maybe if they can meet 70% or 80% of it, they will see have about good amount of return at the end of the year. Now, so if you follow this plan, you see that within 6 months' time, you may be able to hit about 19,000 in cumulative balance. This plan can help you to decide whether you should leave the market or not necessarily waiting for the news to go off the market before you can leave. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now, so based on that, you may choose to close your trade, even though you don't want support to form. For example, if I'm trading on this market now, I may close all my trade on Euro USD. Then I'll be waiting for support level to form. If support level form, I may choose to buy, even though I didn't see any fundamental.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So now, what I share with you is a sample of trading plan, how you can develop it and follow it to work. Then you could see that the market is still dropping. Now, based on a lot of support and resistance, support has been broken here on daily chart. So the next support is here. So it may fall further until form is going to support. I don't really know where the support will start. The support will start maybe this week. The market may be sell. And I told you that the market can fall with like it can be. Market can sell for more than 1 day. It can sell for more than 1 week. For example, let me give you an instance. You see here, this market started here, keep going up to this point. As you can see, let me use this one. This market started here and keep going up to this point. Even though as you see a little sell, but at the end of the day, the market was uptrend for a very long time. Like this market also, it started here at this point, then came down. That's how many days? If you count how many days, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 days, it came down. So market can be down for more than 2 days. It can be down for up to 1 week. You do understand? So, Ogonna, I don't know if you can share your screen now. Let me show you how you can lock up your profit. So if you don't want to close it, you can leave it there. So until the market rebound, then you can close it if you want. I can also show you that Miss Antonia, who else is trading? Every other person is quiet. I don't know if any other person is trading.
No.
So let's see whether it's demo or
She's not ready.
bonus
Can I
or
share?
live. Yeah, you can say something.
I'm ready. I want to share my screen.
Okay, okay? Is it Linda, right? Linda, I'm making you the host
Linda,
now.
is Linda speaking? It's Linda.
Yeah. Please make sure you close anything that you consider private.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Yeah. You click on position. No, you are on internet. You're not on chat. Go to those 3 dots. No. You click on positions, not on deposit. Click on leave. Back to trade.
It's taking time.
It's taking some time. Obviously, a network.
No.
Just leave it there. Okay, you refresh it. Okay. You can still have this app on your phone as app, so it will be easier.
It's true. Yeah, I think I have that. I downloaded it.
Or if you use MT5, it's a different thing. But
Yeah,
this is this is not MT5, but it's good. It has more features than MT5.
So let me check with the app. I think I have the app.
Okay.
Can I check it out?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so I could see your balance now, 110. So click on portfolio, that box, that thing that do like a bag. Okay, no, that means you have closed all your positions.
You know, you put a stop loss, so I think it triggered.
Oh, good. Not to
Yes,
stop
sir.
or take profit. It's take profit.
Take profit. Sorry, take profit.
Click on that place that has your balance. You just click under it. No. I mean, click under that thing. Okay, click on the house.
Clicked on it.
Click on the house. Click on the 3 dots.
So this one that has a plus sign. Or this line.
Yes.
This one.
You know what I'm looking? Okay, go off. It's not the. I'm looking for your history. Where is history here? Okay, click on 3 dot down. Yeah. This is history. Okay. Tap on it. What happened is okay. There's SL. So the market hit here SL. Sorry, the market hit your TP. It hit your TP at 1.07. So that means you could have gotten more if not that we put take profit. So that's why on my own strategy, I put only stop loss. I don't put take profit because I trade against risk. But I have to show you for for educational reason, and if you want to like implement it to your own strategy, then it will help. So this is exactly what happened now, that the trade came down according to our analysis, and you gain $10. So you're out of the market. Now, I will not ask you to keep selling because the support has broken. Our strategy in trading is not to trade breakout. We trade support and resistance more. But if you in the future you can develop a strategy to trade breakout. Breakout means when a support is broken, it will fall further. People like to trade it. So when a resistance is broken, the market can rise further. People like to trade it, but I like to trade low and high strategy, buying it at a low price. So when a breakout is when a market broke out and I'm on trade and I'm in profit, I will leave. Then I will stay behind looking for a support zone. As this market is falling now, I'm looking for a support zone. Once Euro-US form a support, then I will start buying. But if there's any news before I buy, I will check if there's any fundamental that can support more further of selling of the market. If there's any more support, I will not buy. I will if there's more support news fundamentals, I will not buy again. I will try to watch out, waiting for another opportunity to buy. So it's easy to be on the safer side when you are buying low and you're selling high. So I think if you have a question concerning your trade, you can ask now. If there's something surprising about it or something you observe, you can ask us. I thought the trade is still on.
I don't have a question, sir.
Okay. So now, basically, we have a WhatsApp channel. Join that channel. Make sure you chat us on regularly, and I've gotten your information now. I'll pass it to our support group. So we'll be giving you opportunities. Opportunity is not only shared when we're having training. Even within the days, if the opportunity we just send you and analyze it with you, it's different from giving you signals, but you need to we need to be updating you on potential opportunities until your training period is over. Then I think I should reclaim the host now.
Yes,
we may need to place another thread now, but let me finish other things I want to explain. Then Antonia, is it possible you could share your screen? I wanted to show Linda something, but the thread has already closed. I wanted to show how to put a trading stop, but it has closed already, so we can't practicalize it.
Yes, I can share.
Yeah, last time you had trouble sharing quick. So if you had the same trouble, I think
no, I don't have a challenge.
Oh, okay.
It was when I was using my laptop. I told you I didn't have Windows on it, so I couldn't share.
Okay, no problem.
But I shared with you.
Yeah, please, if you have any private information, you can close them before you share. So you are the host now. You can share. If this is a public share and people will see your balance. Are you okay with that?
It's okay. It's okay for me.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. Are you see it?
Yes. What chart is this? Is it 1 hour chart? Let me check.
It's on 1 day. I think that's this one.
Okay, this is JPY. So JPY is most likely forming a resistance. It didn't break the resistance. So close the thread.
Okay, I should close it, even though the green candles are going up.
You know, it's not strong. It doesn't have strong this thing. I mean, like there's a resistance there. Look at the resistance is yes, the last point of that red candle. If you check, if you look, it's a strong resistance. So and it's not possible to break it. And this year it has gone up only 12%.
It went up before up to $12, but
yeah,
I didn't know what to do, and it started coming down.
No, you can close your trade once again. So click on that portfolio that has number 2.
Number 2.
Down. Okay, maybe scroll down. Okay, you have how many positions there? You have buy. Okay, your buy is this one. You're getting $6. Then you can close it if you want.
Yes. So should I open the Euro USD?
So why I say you should close Britain, you are getting $21 totally. So why I say you should close this one, do you know my reason? So I need to know the reason is that it is a resistance point and it's struggling to break resistance.
Okay.
But now,
the resistance is at the bottom. The support is at the bottom. Resistance is up.
Now, okay, let me show you a sample. Let everybody just like observe what I'm saying now. If you check a price, the price that is at the top 157.500.
Yes.
So now, kind of, if you look right, like sort of left, you will see that there's a candlestick that is 2. One is green, one is red.
Red, yes.
But
okay.
You see that price is a resistance point. That is one of the highest resistance, and now it is struggling to go further.
Okay, and the green candle has not been able to break through that point.
Yes, it has not broken. So if it broke that point, it may go further. It may go to 1.8. It may go to 1.58. That is a lot of support and resistance. Why I say to close is that the volume is not as strong as we're having on euro and dollar.
Okay.
You know what I told you about trading? Weak currency versus stronger one. Too strong currency will not give you good results. You have to trade weak against strong. As you can see, it is still dropping. So so the market may reverse today. So click on that 4 dot, under that $4.7.
This 3 dots.
Yeah. There.
Okay.
Then close position.
Okay. It's going up a bit. I think I will hold on and check.
Okay, if you want to hold on. So now, what we'll do on this thing now, we can now put a stop loss.
Okay.
But let me emphasize something. On a long-term strategy, this market is good to keep buying. But on a short time, it's not good.
So how do we enter the long term?
No, a long time is keeping a trade for a long time, leave it there. But if you have a good balance, for example, this year it has gone up 12%. This week it has gone up 0.49%. I mean this pair. So this month it has gone up 0.7%. So possibly it is positive. I don't know. You keep sliding your this possibly this year. But the resistance point of this pair is 157.500, which it has not broken. So what we're saying is that if peradventure people invest on it for a long time and eventually broke, they will make a good profit. Then at at 155,000. If you check that price,
Yes.
155,000, it's a strong support. And it from what I told you about support level, you see that there's a red candle and a green one that are almost equal to each other. That was a sign of reversal. Why the market now shoot up? Yes, and the market shoot up. So if you want to keep it, you can keep it. There's no problem. But I just wanted to show you how to close it. So now, on that note, if you want to keep it, you may put a stop loss at 156 0. Do you have a stop loss on this trade? Okay, you have a stop loss. Where is your stop loss?
Let me open it. The stop loss. Let me check here.
Your stop loss, okay, 156. Yes. Stop loss is okay. You put a stop loss of $28.
Yeah.
That's and a take profit of how many dollars?
I think it was 50. Oh.
Well, take profit is take profit. Let me see. Scroll down. Okay, I'm not seeing. Okay, yeah, no, I've seen it. Your take profit is $45 take profit.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know whether you understand what I'm explaining.
Yes.
If any other person is understand what I'm explaining, you can ask question. So people are quiet. And if you are confused, let me know that you are lost. Maybe if you are just lost, you don't understand what you're talking, maybe it look like draft. Now, you can move to Euro USD if you want to keep it.
Let me just watch it a bit. It keeps going down.
Move to Euro USD. Click on position. Euro is getting $15.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. No, open it. I want to explain something. Now, you see the problem. No, keep it there. You see this red one? You see that red? You see where you bought, you sold, was much lower than where Organa sold. Assuming that day we sold at 1.09, and this market is getting, it could be getting up to $40 or $30-something using the same how many volume are you using? Like 0. 0.01, 0.02. What's your volume of trading?
Go back and check it.
Yeah, click on
You
it.
the one that chose this.
No, you need to show it. Yeah, you need to see. Okay, 0.02.
0.02.
Yeah, 0.02. That's your volume. And you're expecting to gain $25. Oh no, your stop loss is bigger than the profit. This is not good. So you can't put a stop loss, a risk of 2% and a profit of 1.8%. No. So your profits need to be higher than your risk. It's called risk reward. But in this market, you have gain, no. But in case of next time, we don't need to do it. But now you can even modify it if you want. So on this note, can you hear me?
You want to modify it now? We can do that.
You modify it. What we do to modify it now is simple. We put stop loss above below the entering point, because you're already gaining. We can put a stop loss at $10. It means if this market is gaining, reverse to $10, it should stop.
So instead of this 55, I should change it to 10.
No, we put it on price. It's better to put it on price.
Okay, here. No, that's rate.
Okay, put $10. Then let me know where it will go. Click on confirm. Wait. Yeah.
I've clicked. Should I go back?
Okay, it has gone, right?
Yes. Should I go back?
Yeah, click on it. Let me confirm something. Okay, if you can stop loss at $10. Okay, yeah, it's good like this. It means if the market move back and this $15 reduces to $10, then it will stop. Yeah, perfect. Now look at it.
Okay.
No, let's see your screen again. Go. Then you can see two red lines.
Yeah, two red lines. I don't know what that is.
That red line shows you where you put a stop loss. The other one shows where you put take profit.
Okay.
Now, this note now, you don't even need take profit again.
Okay, so it can keep going up, then I can decide to close the trade.
Yeah, because of if it goes up, it means if it reverse, it will stop at profit.
It stop at how much?
It will stop at $10, as you put it. But then if the market keep going, let's say you gain $20, it will modify your stop loss. Let me show you. Click on that confirm. I don't know what that means.
Why don't we, since I'm already on $15, why don't we put the stop loss on the 15 so that it doesn't go below the 15?
No, it means closing entirely at $15. If you want to close that trade, you can close it. I can show you how to you can close the trade and open another one if you want.
Yeah, I can actually close and look at new positions and open several.
Yeah, yes. So now let me show you how to close the trade. Click on that confirm so that no. What am I seeing? Is it a sell button? Okay. Click on, okay. Click on that dot. Then click on close position. Everyone, watch how position is closed so that you'll be able to understand.
Okay. But from your analysis of the chart, this candlestick, the pattern, do you think what's the pattern like? Is it still coming down?
The market is still selling. It has not formed any support, but that one doesn't mean that you cannot close that trade
and enter another position right now. Okay.
No. If you enter another position, we will not ask you to keep selling. If you close this market, we will advise you keep aside and watch for a support zone to form. Now, if you are, for example, check sentiment. When you check sentiment, you see that buyers are 85%.
Yes.
As sellers are 16%. So people trying to place a buy. That sentiment means volume of people who are coming in to buy it because the market has dropped.
That's the buyers.
Yeah, people are buying it.
Have more buyers, and that's
at the moment.
More buyers buying on the red candle.
Yes.
I've been looking at it. I don't know how to analyze it.
Yes, it means that the 85% buyers and 16% sellers. It means the sellers are leaving the market. And if you check very well, 1.0740 is actually hitting the previous support. Look at it. The previous support. Yeah, it's actually hitting the previous support. So now it means more people are buying it. People are started placing a buying trade. They have not gained. You have to place a trade first before you gain. So it means if market venture start rising from there, then it will go. Please, you need to tell us your name. This Infinix, I wanted to remove you. I just wanted to hold on. Let us know your name. We don't like anybody to join us without the person's name so that we know that somebody that paid this person that joined us. Because this training is a paid training, it's not free. Now, you can close the trade. I can support you closing the trade, to be honest. I can support you closing it. But it's for learning purpose. Time will come when you make the money, don't worry.
So I've clicked on it.
Yeah.
I need to go back and check the close. Order cancelled.
Yeah, possibly it has been closed. Yeah.
Order cancelled. Okay, that's what it means. Order cancelled.
Yeah, all this depending on stop loss and take profit has been cancelled. Yes, so you have gained. Now, as I keep repeating, the essence of this for you to know why we gained. That's what makes you to understand. No, it remains a Japanese something. Japanese.
USD is dropping seriously.
No, I told you it's on support. It's on resistance. Yeah. It's on resistance, but it's difficult. It's struggling to break the resistance. Look at it. So it's struggling. So it may drop today. It may sell today. This market. So if I advise you,
so that it will not hit my stop loss.
No, close it. No, close it. When we drop, then we'll buy again.
Okay. All right.
There's something I will show you. There's something I will teach you guys about strategy trading. Even if you are buying, there's a particular point that is good for us to buy, a particular point that is good for us to sell. Not all the price is good.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you make if that market is not good to buy at a resistance zone, even though the market even though there's a strong fundamental that are talking about buying, it's not good to buy at a resistance zone, and it's not good to sell at a support zone, even if there is a new supporting support. Because I told you about trend and chart and the trend and the price actions. Human beings will always consider what has been the buying price and what has been the selling price before they can decide. Even though there's a news, they will ask themselves, are you sure this thing can move this price to this point? Because we humans controls the price, even though there's a news. You don't understand? That's why sometimes you may see a good news on, I'm recommending my host now. So you may see a good news on a particular instrument and it will not go according to the news because people do not act on it. Probably the news came at a very, yeah. So I'm not the host. So now let me show you something. When you check this JPY, I don't know the chart you are on 4 hours. It is selling. 4 hours. Let me check it on daily. Okay. What chart were you watching that was dropping? Was it 1 hour? Okay.
I think I did 1 hour.
No, I think you were on daily.
All day, one day.
When you check JPY, if you check it, it's good.
USD JPY.
It's good we buy here.
I can't even see it again. Is it because I just closed it?
I'm sharing my own screen. You should see my screen.
Okay.
Can someone see my screen? It's good you buy here, or like even though if this trade dropped today, if it sells today to this point, then you can buy. Then you can put a stop loss. You can put a stop loss maybe within this area. But before you put the stop loss, of course, we'll check the risk reward. Try to know what's going to be the potential outcome. It's not every price that is suitable for stop loss, depending on the volume and the capital you are using to trade. Do you understand? Not just every price. So we check the risk reward and check the capital to decide the level of stop loss we can put. Now, what we are saying, why I told you to close again is that when you check this market, for example, it does not have strong volatility. Look at it. It has been moving the same direction. It doesn't have strong volatility. So there's no point buying it at this price, even though there is new supporting dollar. Do you understand? Okay. So there's no point. Yeah. Do you understand? But on a long run, it may break because for a very long time now, since this year, this year it has been up to 12%. Look at it, it's been up. That's why I said a long-term investor can invest. It's been up for 12%. Do you understand my analysis?
Yes.
Now, there's something I want to. Any question before I shared? I continue with the lectures. We are done with previous review of what happened last week and how much each person gained. Is there anyone that traded this market that gained? We have a lot of people here. You guys are not trading, even though it's demo. Is there anyone trading here? How much did you gain? Because this is best time for you to learn fast. You need to be trading. Anyone? If you didn't trade now and your training period is over, you may struggle to understand how to trade. That's the truth. You need to be trading with us, even if you don't have money for real money. Get a demo account or a bonus account or any account that can help you to understand trading. And it can be difficult for us to keep teaching you when your trading session is training period is over, unless you need to book for another training.
I have a question, please.
Okay, somebody said, I missed last week class, came late. Please, how do I get the record? The recorded version is on our YouTube. We have posted it there. Oh, yeah, ask a question.
Okay, for me, I really don't understand this support. You know, it's one thing to explain it, and it's another thing to show us. I think the challenge I'm having, this candlestick, I think I'm able to understand the one that is drawn. Maybe the way it goes up and down, but I'm just having a bit of difficulty understanding the this chart pattern when I'm on my own. When I'm on my own, I look at it. I cannot identify, you know, I know the support is at the bottom and the resistance is up. So, but what do I look at to be able to say, oh, this is the resistance point, this is the support level? You know, so I think I'm having a bit of difficulty with that. Yes. And secondly, while placing a trade, I don't think it's something I can even do on my own. Let's say you even send us updates. Okay, this is this amount, do it like this. I don't know how to calculate that, the lot size, that calculation you were doing. There's a formula. I think I would prefer to write it down so that I can use the formula to calculate before I use it.
Okay, yeah, you see, for now, you'll be trading with us.
Okay.
Until your training time is over. So it's a gradual process. You have done 2 trades now. But now, you see what I'm saying? You that's even trading now, I've not even understand much how to trade. How much more somebody have not started trading? That's why I encourage anyone to start trading, even if it's demo account. The only advantage of life account is that you're making real cash. So don't worry, we'll be guiding you. This session, we may make another trade. So you also learn again how you make the trade. We'll be observing it gradually. Then from there, I have it in my notes to teach about lot sizes. But we are not teaching risk management directly because it's a different course. So it's something that we have taken in gradually while we keep trading. So that you understand how you can be managing your risk then and implementing your trading plan. Because a trading plan is not universal. It's something that each person has their plan because everybody knows what they want. Now, let me answer your first question. We have a channel, we have a WhatsApp channel now that you can join, but we don't give signals. We can only show you trading that is good. We can only show you the instrument that is buying at the moment, the one that is selling, or for the week or for the month, for the day. That's what we show you. Then you can now like trade on it. Yeah, so that channel too, we will also make some announcement, but we will not be giving signal. We don't give buy here, put stop loss here, put the profit here. No, they asked us to stop it and we have stopped it. But we give you.
Since you are still teaching us and we don't know how to actually put the stop loss or where to take profit, even if you tell me buy, I may still not know where to.
No. I will show you that one. What the Moses, I think Moses, I don't know, is asking me. I understand what he's talking about. He's talking about we column for trade. It's called signals. Like giving direct buy order, but how we do our signal analysis to do it with you and show you the reasons.
Okay, show you how.
Yes. But giving you a predictable signal, it means we'd have cooked it and give it to you. You copy them and paste them out like that. They asked us to stop. When I used to give it, I used to have good results from it, but I was asked to stop because they said it's investment advice. You understand what I mean? It says investment advice, so stop sending signal. Anybody that send it, they classify it as investment advice. Now, let me answer your first question. How to know support and resistance? Is this like technically? There are small things you need to observe, like a reversal pattern. This is oil market now. This is the current price of oil. It's $75 per barrel. Now, you see here. Sorry. You see this point? Can you see my mouse?
Yes. Market mouse.
Here now, form two equal candlesticks.
Yes.
Here, form two equal candlesticks. Anytime market form this, it's a sign that support is about to form. So if it formed on the opposite, it's a sign of resistance. And I look at it here too. Here, you see here too.
Okay.
It's a sign.
Equal.
Yes.
It must be equal.
Similar. No, it must not be there, but it can look similar equal, not exactly.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
It's a sign.
Okay.
It's a sign. I mean, it's a small technical observation you'll be making. And if you go back to the chart history, you may see that in most places that this thing formed, market reversed. In most places. In most places, the market will reverse. Then another thing you can look out for is something like this.
A long week.
Yes, that has a long shadow up.
I think that thing is called shooting star. What is it called?
It's called hammer, like
Monday's...
inverted hammer.
Okay, inverted hammer.
If you see something like this too, something like this too, whether you see it on up trade or down trade, it's also a sign of a reversal that the market will reverse. But it's not really something we call strong support. We can only say the sign of big reversal or false reversal. But on the support zone, what we call support zone is something like this. Something like this now here. You see here now was the support zone. You see this point here?
Yes.
Do you know why? Because anytime the market comes down to this point, it goes up. Anytime it comes to this point, it goes up. But it's not really a strong zone. There are some charts you will see, you can notice a strong zone. Let me check other charts. For example, this is gold. Gold has a strong zone here. Here now, for example, now it's a strong support zone. It means that, what does it mean? Where the market consolidates for a long, this chart keep like stopping within that point and go up, stopping within that point and go up. Let me check if there's another one. Any chart that can show me strong. Now, you see US, Canada. You see here now. As you can see, for a very long time, anytime it comes to this point, it goes up. Yes.
Come there and go up, come and go up.
Yes, it come and go up. So
it's a strong support zone.
It's support zone.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's a difference between support zone and a particular support. This one is just a support. This one on oil is just a support, but it does not form a zone. A zone means when you keep repeating for a long time, keep repeating, you know that it has formed a zone. So this is something you observe technically. And based on that, anytime you see that there's this market doesn't always fall here, it means that's the point buyers usually buy. And the point market usually reverse. So don't always be trading the same, maybe let's say you're selling, don't always continue selling, because it will need strong economic event to break that point of support.
Okay, so if it forms like this, sorry, sir. If you have the red candle and the green candle forming the support, so the one that is likely to gain more strength to go up will be the main. For example, now here this green candle.
Yeah.
So it means buyers are coming
buying. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
but if it's a red one, it means it may come down. Like sellers are coming.
Yes. It may come down. Let me know if I can get a sample of from here. This is Euro USD. Here now is a sign of resistance zone. Then what happened after 2 days? Then the market dropped. So so now it's a sign here too. Now here too is also a sign of support zone. So support, not just a zone.
Just support because it's two.
Yeah. So if you check, make your observation, you will be able to see that in most cases, this informed market reverse either that day or after a couple of days. I mean, kind of, it will go the opposite. Most people trade only technical analysis. Most traders who are, not everybody can read news and analyze it. People use those things to predict the market. And the people that use AI and algorithm, they use technical history to predict and program them. Do you understand?
Yes.
So any further question?
So, sir, hold on, sir. When this support zone, this support is here now, and do you buy? You said we should not buy the support. We should wait for it to break and go up. Or,
no, I buy a support. I'm not going for anything.
Or you buy at support is a good signal to buy.
Yes, I used to buy a support, then sellers. But no market is a support now. Okay, what Euro did, Euro has gotten to previous support, which is here. Euro USD. For me now, if somebody want to push me to trade on this, I mean, most likely place a buy, then put a stop loss at 1.06. But it's not for immediate result for the future.
Okay.
Or I hold on for me to confirm actually that something like this will form. Then I now know that it has started from the past. So these are the things that we check. If somebody asks me to analyze anything, I will check the laws applicable in the market, a lot of support, a lot of resistance, a lot of, I check fundamental analysis, then I check the trend, I check. Yes, I check price action. I can tell you, okay, it's going on. If you ask me why, I will give you those points.
Okay, but if you are using just this, the technical, and you want to analyze the chart to enter the market, is it advisable to buy this support, or you wait for another candle to confirm whether it's going on?
Yes, it's not advisable because if you buy here, doesn't mean that the market is reversing. It may fall to 1.0717. It may yes, unless you're going to buy 2 or 3 times. You buy here with a small volume. If you drop further, then you buy again with a bigger volume. That is on risk management. That's on risk management
multiple entry.
And how to recover loss strategy, which I will teach you later, not on this class.
Okay, sir. So thank you.
So, any other question from another person? Any question? Okay. I think there's no question. In case you are in an office, you can type your question if you're in office. Then, there's something I want to show you before we close. You know, when we say that trading is all about forex, for example, weak currency and strong currency. There's an app you can use. There's an app you can use to know the currency that is weak and the currency that is very strong. That app is called FS Strength. Let me type it. Sorry, not FS Strength. It's called FS Meter, but it shows the strength. If you go on your app, we don't strongly have it on internet, so it's difficult for me to give you the website by sharing it. And I'm not on phone share. I can have share my phone screen with you so that you see the app. Go to your Google Play Store and type, search for FS Meter. Oh, sorry. I want to send it to everybody. And type FS Meter. FS meter. On your Play Store. Type Play Store or App Store where you download stuff. Type FS meter. This FS meter helps you to know weak currencies and strong currency. So even as dollar is strong, you can see that maybe JPY is also strong, for example. Then we may be careful buying trading euro, USD and dollar, unless if we see obviously that is weak. For example, dollar is strong and Canada is strong. So when there's news in Canada in dollar, and they see that there's a strong Canada, you avoid it. You avoid US Canada. Any question?
Please take that again. Take that again. Say when there's when dollar is strong and Canada is strong. Please.
For example, you can see from what I'm sharing now that there's a strong Canada, there's a strong dollar. Now, when there is news in dollar, that dollar is strong and Canada is strong, you avoid trading US Canada.
Okay.
Yeah, because when you come to the forex chart here, you see that US is the base currency and Canada is this one. Do you understand? So if you trade their currency like that all the time, you may not get maximum report result unless if the strength is too like the gap of their strength is bigger. Like for example, dollar is 6.47 here in strength meter. I don't know what this percentage. While Canada is 0.81. Then on New Zealand, they say that New Zealand is weak to -5.76. So if I open US New Zealand, you see that their market will be very much strong. New Zealand, okay, it's called New Zealand USD. Let me check them. You see how they have a very sharp fall because New Zealand is weak. It's also the same thing that happened on Friday. Assuming you sold here, sold Euro USD, sold the JPP USD, sold the AUD USD, sold all the pairs that is very weak. That time the dollar gains strength, then you'll be cashing out. Now you see that here that New Zealand is also very weak with a very clear margin. Try to download that FS bar because it shows different from your phone than here. On the phone, it will show you per hour. That is the essence. Here, it doesn't show per hour. The FS meter, not FS bar. FS meter shows you per hour. Anyone that downloaded can share the screen with me. I will use it to analyze, but I can't share my own screen on phone. It shows you per hour, per day.
Can I ask a few questions, please?
Sorry, two persons are talking.
Okay, please. From what the USD Canada pair that you just cite as an example now, does it mean, and from previous things you said before, which should be the base currency to buy? Is it the weaker one or the strong one should be the base currency?
Is the base currency is the one to buy?
The base currency is the one that's to buy. So that's the strong currency. The strong one should be the base currency, as against the new like this.
No, look at how it works. When this market as this market came down, it means the base currency is strong. So yes. it means sorry, the put currency is strong, which is dollar. Dollar is strong, and New Zealand is weak.
No, I'm saying that if you want to buy a pair, like I think one of the very important things you said today is always buy when it is weak. Always buy a weak currency. So yes. What I'm asking is, if that means it is the quoting currency that has to be weak, and then the USD is strong.
Yes. Okay. Or if you're selling, always sell the weak one. So on that note, it will be the base currency that has to be weak. Then you sell on it.
But then if you're buying, you buy the quote currency weak, and then of course, okay.
Yes.
Then if you're selling, it's a reverse.
Yes, kind of, it's vice versa. And now, the things that can make currency weak or strong is those fundamental analysis that we discussed. Like dollar gains strength because there are more jobs. So now, technically, if you have download that FS meter and they open it, when you open it, you see it shows bars per hour per minute. Anyone can share their own screen that we can use it for analysis. Last time when we used to trade forex together, we were making a lot of money with that, with this FS meter. Before it's called FS bar, now it's called FS meter.
So the one I downloaded, I think it has a subscription plan. Is it the one you're talking of? Because I can't even go further without subscribing.
No, mine is free.
Same thing is free. It's showing subscription. What is the logo? What's your logo, sir? Is it a round circle with yellow, red, and green with a dollar sign in the middle?
Yeah, the logo and the developer. Let's check the name.
I'm asking him. So I can tell us the right one.
No, the logo is blue, a circle, but with candlestick that is white. Three white candlestick. FS meter, METER. I typed it on this thing.
Should we download on the laptop or on the phone? Which one?
On the phone. This one is on the. Don't go on laptop.
I don't think it's free on the App Store.
On App Store,
the one I downloaded on the App Store is not free. I have to subscribe.
Wow.
Why? iPhone. It's not free.
Mine is free here. Let me check my iPhone. My iPhone should be free as well. I've not paid for this before.
FX meter.
So please come again with the said is what?
Blue with a candlestick with three candlestick in the middle.
What's the color of the candlestick? White or blue?
White.
Okay, no, white.
I don't think that is on the App Store.
It may be. He's not in the country.
FS currency strength meter. So I don't know if it's that one. I actually downloaded.
Yes.
It's a blue background.
Yes, forex strength meter with a blue and white background.
Yeah.
Yes. Download it. Let's see.
Even that one is not free. You just have a 3 days trial.
Wait. Let me check more on FS meter. Now, what did you say that you saw? FS what? FS currency?
The name is yes, FS currency strength meter. And I've opened it. There's no kind of subscription in it. It's having iPhone. No, I'm using a Samsung Android.
FS currency strength meter. Let me check. Maybe look. Maybe is it that it's not available in all countries or what?
Yeah, that's what I just said. I said you are not in Nigeria.
Probably not available in all countries.
It's not.
Even in Nigeria.
Is your App Store too in Nigeria? Is your App Store in Nigeria App Store?
Yeah, I bought my iPhone in Nigeria too. Yeah. Okay, try FS bar. Let me check FS bar.
Forest Trend Mr. Pro.
Oh my God. I wish you can access this thing free.
I did a listing. I did a trial subscription on App Store. I'm able to use it. Yeah, but it's a paid subscription. I think 3,600 for 3 months subscription.
Why don't you give one a free?
They do that to Africans.
I'm on system. I could have shared my screen.
Okay, tell me the one you did. Let me download on the phone and share.
I actually did the 2 subscription. There's Forex Strength Meter Pro. I did the Forex Strength Meter Pro. Okay. And I did the FX Meter too. But the Forex Strength Meter Pro seems better than the FX Meter.
Yes. The paid one will always have more capacity than the free one. So what did you use it for?
I just downloaded it now because you said we should download it.
Oh, I just paid immediately.
I just had some little change in my Apple wallet balance.
Okay. That means you need to start trading if you're not trading live. So how it works, let me know if I can sign up on phone, on the Zoom, and share the one I'm sharing here with you. Although it may take me time anyway. Zoom is not on my phone here. Zoom. So now how it works is that it shows the strength of each currency, not currency pair. Do you understand? I mean, the strength of each currency, each. So it doesn't show you currency pair at the same time. It shows you each currency, the one that is strong and the one that is weak. Now, because of trading is all about buying the weak currency against the strong one, you know, or vice versa. So we use it to select the pairs properly. For example, when you check this news today, the news on NFP, non-farm payroll, you see that the impact it has on Britain pound US is smaller than the one it had on euro. Can you see now? So euro has more strength, more impact than this because of probably it's because of the strength of pounds. It's still not much loose or weak than the strength of euro. Then apart from that too, it helps you for you to make big profit, 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips, 50 pips in a day. Like a good amount of profit can be made very quickly using the strength index of each of the currencies. So now, if you open it per hour, if you're an hour trader, so you could check it and see the currencies that are very weak and the one that are very strong, then trade it against each other. My boy, who is a scalper, used to use it to make a lot of money every day. Every day, 15, 20 minutes, 1 hour, he's out. 4 hours, he's out of the market. You know that most traders trade for a short time. They don't trade for a very long time. Most traders globally trade for a short time period. It is few that trade for a long time. Now, people that make more money in trading are those who trade for a long time. And they're mostly like risk management traders. People that trade for a short time are people that want to make big money immediately. Some of them don't, some of them, or most of them, their risk is relatively higher. Because of they just want to do something. For example, if I wanted you guys to make big money, if not that you are learning, I could have asked you to increase your risk to 30% risk each. Antonia and Ogonna, you could have made a lot of money on NFP. Assuming I wanted to go on 20% risk.
So why didn't you?
No, you are learning. You still have a very long days to go. There are a lot of opportunities coming up. For example, I'm seeing opportunity in Canada. As I open it, I saw opportunity here. So here may be where we may trade US Canada, because US Canada is strong and the dollar is strong as well. And now dollar was able to move up against Canada, and it has already hidden towards the resistance point. Selling this market is good because here is a support level. It's almost at support, and here is last support, sorry, last resistance. I'm trying to study some of my phone, but it's not being installed the way I want it. I'm trying to install the Zoom on my phone so I can show you the screen. Now, so when we see some big opportunities, we can increase our risk. Also, like big opportunities, we can increase our risk. Also, when we are obviously a medium risk or high risk trader, there are people that trade only on low risk. The people that doesn't want to take the big risk. So those is determines the strategy we use in trading and the kind of volume we want to use. For example, when I see that support and resistance and the good news on dollar, I obviously know that dollar is good to sell. Euro US is good to sell. So on that note, if I want, I can increase my risk. I want to store this thing. Let me know if I can. It will not 100%. I will not store. Why? Okay. I know I have an alternative. I will do a screenshot and share the screen on the. Let me know if you have a question. Okay. Okay, I see the problem where it's not installing. Okay, I will do a screenshot and send it to you on. I share with you on the meeting. I have a screenshot on daily. I have a screenshot on hourly. I have a screenshot on 4 hours. Then let's say 30 minutes. Then let me say weekly. So just give me. I'm sharing them on to you on. If I have a question, you can ask me why I'm attaching the file. That's why I asked. That's why I asked for your question. So I'll be answering them at the same time.
Why is the CHF so strong presently?
Sorry?
I said, why is the CHF so strong presently?
CHF, that's
I think Swiss franc or what is it?
Swiss francs. Then we will check if there's any fundamentals that is making it strong. So if there's no fundamental, we just know that it's following the market trend. I'm downloading the stuff. It's here. So, but just give me a sec. Let me get this. Let me download this stuff and share with you. Okay, at the same time, let me check CHF. That's is this CHF USD? That's USD CHF.
No, CHF NCD.
Okay, that's cross currency.
Yes.
CHF NZD. Do I have it here? CHF, that's minor currency. Let me check. CHF. CHF what? NZD.
Let me check it. Oh, sorry, Euro CHF. It should be Euro CHF.
Euro CHF. I can't find Euro's chef here.
You can just enter CHF on the symbol.
CHF. Okay. Okay, I've seen it. It's a very falling market. Which one? Euro. CHF is strong. Let's check fundamental. What's happening? Last week, was there any fundamental? I'm supposed to give you break, but the questions keep coming. I couldn't give you the break again. It's opening here, but it's slow. I don't know. Why is it loading slow? I'm trying to check if there's any event on my browser is hanging. I don't know the problem. It's not loading. I'm sorry. Okay. I don't really know why. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. It's open now. CHF. Or was there any news on CHF on Friday? Let me check. No news on Friday on CHF. No. It could be similar thing related to dollar, as dollar as euro is weak on dollar. Let me check. You the holiday. There's no fundamental here on forex factor. Let me check. Okay, today there's the economic watch statement. Consumer claim rates. It's a bank holiday, Monday 10th. Unfortunately, here there's no strong information that has a strong impact on CHF today, apart from this
there was a news
consumer
on
climate.
June 7th about the foreign currency reserve.
We are here.
Yes.
On
June 7th, 7th of June.
Okay, last Friday.
That should be last Friday, yes.
Okay, probably that may be the reason. Because of if you see market that falls like this more, there must be fundamental behind it. It's most likely you see, you will see a fundamental behind it.
At 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Seventh.
Yes, it's there. It's on your screen. 8 a.m. Just check the 8 a.m. Foreign currency reserves.
You mean on euro or chef?
No, on CHF. It's there. I can see it on your screen like that. Just check the 8 a.m.
For foreign currency reserve, the former one was 720 billion. This the actual one is 718. Let me check what it means. The value of foreign currency reserve held by this is what we refer at. One of the things we talk about capital inflow. Okay, it's not exactly like capital inflow. Actual side and forecast is good. Okay. This may most likely be the reason why it's falling because of 718 billion with 720. Okay, let me check. Yes, that may be the major reason, but this fundamental is not really common to us. I mean, it's not really common. Mm-hmm. 2024. This is International Monetary Fund report. Good, including deposit. I mean, reserve, foreign currency reserve is here. Okay, this was okay. Can you see what is happening? Let's use our common sense. January this year it was 62. Later, February, it becomes 677. You see, there's an increment.
Wow. Yes.
Then March, 715. This one, 720. So basically, in fact, even from here, there's
so the market is very bullish on CHF.
Yes. So it has built investors' confidence. Do you understand now? So this is maybe the latter distance. So there's a systematic increment in the foreign currency. On their gold reserve, this is good. Even their gold reserve is increasing. They have about 70,000. 70,777 thread. This 76 is also like kind of increasing. Obviously, this is the reason. Yes, kind of is increasing. This is obviously why their currency gains more strength against euro, and why people are catching up. And now this thing now is the same law. If you apply the same law, support and resistance, this is the previous resistance. Sorry, the previous support. And this current market here has not formed any support yet. So it's most likely that the market may come down to probably, it may come down to maybe 0.95, or you can just look at it. Probably you're buying. Are you buying?
No, I'm just analyzing the market.
Yes, so this is obviously the reason. So if this market get to this point, you can maybe it may most likely form
support.
Then if you break this particular support, Miss Antonia asked me that question. Can you see this sign of hammer?
Yes.
Now, so if you could see it now on the other side, so this is a sign of up. The one I was showing you was like the sign of coming down. The one that we saw on Euro US. Yes, it's a sign of reversal. So assuming this market come down to this point, and break this particular price 0.95, it means we should expect it to keep falling more than to 0.4, 0.94, 0.93. But let's just watch out to see when the support will form. Then we can buy. However, you can still buy here. For example, then put a stop loss. Put a stop loss below the support. Yeah, below the support. For example, if I want to start trading on this market, on my risk management, I use more volume, press the buy. Then if you drop further to this point, I use a bigger volume, press another buy. I may have like 3 different buy, support 1, support 2, support 3. So anytime I'm gaining, all of them will gain at the same time. Let me check whether that what I sent to my email has been completely downloaded. It has not been. Why it didn't send? It didn't send. So any further question? So now after this, what I want to show you, we go into commodity trading. We have not had a note on it at all. Okay. Shall I share this on the WhatsApp so that you can see it on the WhatsApp channel? Or
some of us are not on the WhatsApp channel. For example, I'm not on the WhatsApp channel yet.
Okay.
You can share it there on another place so that those of us there will can get it from there.
I'm sending it to my other phone, so I'll be able to send it to you.
Sir, please, are we placing trade today? I thought you said in your message that we're placing.
Yeah, we will place if we see opportunity. I will show you where we place the trade. Don't worry. We are seeing opportunity on Canada.
I don't know if you were informed this morning that I opened another account. So I have 3 accounts and they're all funded. So
personally, anything account funded need to be confidential information. Maybe you may chat me personally or chat our support. Then we can. Or although if it's once you get to account funded, we suggest you contact the broker more than us.
No, you know what I said is I have opened 3 accounts that are ready for me to start trading with.
Okay, trading.
So I'm just waiting on you to give me the.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So when you send me a personal message,
okay,
I'll be able to see what you have done. Yeah. Yeah, I've gotten what I want, so I'm downloading. Okay, I understand you. If you talk about funding, you should, of course, we will not fund account on a live chat with everyone. So each person can be assisted independently to fund their own account. But on account opening, we can assist you to probably open an account, show you what to do. It's just for confidential reason.
Okay.
So this London, why are you loading? Why you keep loading? It's important that you see this in. Just be patient, so that I will use it to. That's what we plan to use to close our technical and market review. Yeah, I've gotten it. So how many of us is trading live here? Or even is demo? Yeah. Okay. It's this thing now. Let me show you. Yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, you can see it.
Now, so you could see that euro is weak. This is daily, today. You can see that.
Euro. Okay, yes, yeah. Euro is weak.
It's weak. So the most strongest currency here is dollar. So this is how the FS meter interface look like. The people that are downloaded, is it how your own look like?
No, it's not exactly like this.
Okay, but Rosie said the same, like similar thing.
What's the app name, please?
Yeah, it's similar. Actually, it's similar, but
FX Meta.
Its own measurement is over 10. I think this one is over 100. That one is over 10.
Over 10. Okay, okay. So the strongest so far is this one, and followed with Canada. If you check very well, Canada has employment report. Then British pound. British pound is 55. So have you now seen why in the forex chart, the impact on NFP is not as strong as it is on the euro?
Okay.
Do you see that means pounds is relatively strong than euro. So this is one of the reasons why many traders fail. The trade when you want to trade, the easiest way to do on safer side is weak one against strong one. So the strong one against weak one, and vice versa. So this thing now shows on day. Because this is a screenshot, so if I click on 1 hour, you will see it. So you can pick it on an hour. You see the one that is strong that hour, the one that is weak. You can pick it on 4 hours. You can pick it on 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 week. So those of us who are regular traders want to trade like almost like often, maybe every day. A lot of traders use this type of parameter. The advantage of it is that it's not in pair. It shows you independently the strength of each currency you want to trade with. So if you see Naira here, you can see the strength of Naira on its own. So when you come to the chart, you're not trying to look for a pair that Naira is probably weaker than. You cannot trade against it, or or the other opposite. So please, you need this FS bar or FS meter or whatever thing, the name that is available in your region. Then you can be able to use it to download it and watch it. It will help us to even eliminate a lot of analysis. So what we usually do on it is that when we check the strong one and check the weaker one, then we'll now open the chart and look for and trying to check the support zone of it and support and resistance zone of it. Then we trade it. For example, now euro is weak this Monday, and there's no support zone currently. It's possible that it may fall more further. Okay. Or we go on a short time zone, like short time frames, began to trade it on a short movement. 50 pips, 40 pips, 40 pips, 30 pips. Then at the end of the day, we'll be able to cash out on a big time. Any question?
Oh, sir. For example, now this Euro USD that is falling. Instead of now that it's falling, is it Euro that is falling or the other pair?
What is falling is Euro.
Okay, Euro is what is falling. So we can now, as in, how do you do this? Do you now buy USD? Or
Good question. Good question. You know that in forex is in pairs, or two currencies are together. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, as they're together, they have formed a stock. They're not just like regular bureau de change. So if the price is dropping, is the price of the quote that is dropping.
Oh.
So if it's rising, is the price if the price is dropping, it's the price of the base that is dropping. Do you understand? So now, no, yeah, okay, looks weak. Probably you don't understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
It looks weak. Let me make you understand. You see this Euro USD, this Euro USD chart. This is the current price. So, and dollar is the counter here or put. It means you will use 1.0 dollar, 1.0 cents dollar to get €1. Do you understand? So now, the more the price dropped, the more the dollar gains strength. So if the price is dropping, it means that dollar is gaining strength. So dollar don't need so much dollar to get euro. I mean, kind of it can fall to the point of euro dollar getting to maybe 0 point something. It means €1 is not even up to $1. Do you understand? It means that dollar is gaining. But when the price is rising, getting to 1.09, 1.2, 2.4, keep going, it means that you will need more dollar to get €1.
Okay.
So now, on this here now, it is a FS meter.
Yes.
It will show you that euro is weak on its own. As euro is weak and dollar is strong, you have to go to forex market and sell. Do you understand now?
Yes. You know, my position was I was buying, then it dropped. So you said I should exit the market. So now
No. You sold euro US. You had a sell position on euro dollar.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Now, in building a strategy, as euro is weak, it's also time to buy it. Why? Because euro is a volatile currency. It has liquidity. It can easily rise.
Correct.
Do you understand? So each ways, either ways, opportunities are created.
Okay, when it drops, you can buy.
Yeah, because it's volatile. There's always a buyer. So it will rise again. Unless some currency that when they fall to rise is a problem, like our own. Do you understand now? So yeah, so that is the concept of trading. Now, tomorrow you may see the dollar may drop to 58 or 40 something, may go drop to 20, and if that didn't happen, when you come to a chart like this, like this, you see that you discover that the chart will go up. I mean, like there will be serious up trade. Like I mean, here we reverse and go up. So let's talk about opportunities in trading. Then we'll close. So one, I'm seeing opportunity here. I'm seeing opportunity on Euro USD here, based on buying opportunity. I'm seeing opportunity on, I'm not seeing opportunity here. USD I'm not seeing opportunity there. USD JPY, I'm not seeing opportunity there. Then USD Canada, I'm seeing opportunity here. Opportunity, I'm saying is selling opportunity based on support and resistance. So US Canada is on support on resistance level. So here is their most highest resistance, which is 1.38. Now it's at 1.37. It may not get to that 1.38. And here too is a zone. It's a resistance zone. Here is a resistance zone. Let me delete this one and get another one. Yeah, here is a resistance zone. Here is a support zone. Do you know why we call it zone? Because it has repeated himself several times. Do you understand? So this thing has repeated. The only thing that will make you not to gain a sell here is if this resistance is broken. That's what will make you not to gain this market as I speak. Do you understand? So it has here now, we have more sell opportunity here. And on euro, we have more buying opportunity than sell. Do you understand? So I don't know whether all of you have left. Okay.
No, I'm here. I answered. I didn't know I was muted. Leave to where?
Now, on that note, on this, my observation now, you can go to US card.
US card. I'm not writing it down. US card.
Select appropriate lot size. For those trading with $1,000 account or less, always use 0.01 to 0.05.
I chose 0.05.
So on that note, you can come in here and place a sell in the future. Sell is triggered here. Why? Because of this particular point of resistance. I can only lose this market now, lose this trade, if this resistance is broken. Now, if it's broken and move to this point, I may most likely sell again. Do you understand? And
okay.
have you seen how I was able to place the sell?
Yes.
Then when I place the sell now, the resistance level here, highest one here is 1.38585. I may use it as my stop loss. I can put my stop loss here. My stop loss, what was that price?
1.38585.
1.38385. Then I've put it for my own strategy. I don't put take profit.
Yes.
I will leave it. If I want to put a profit, I can put, but I don't put a profit. I can show you for the purpose of learning. I can put a take profit between in between the market body. Let me say the price action body. Price action body means the range this market has been moving for since when? Since April, it's been moving from here to here to here to here. So between it, I can put a take profit maybe at 1.36. Assuming I want to put it that way. Why I like to put a stop loss ahead, because I'm teaching you my own strategy now, is that I like to make sure that market will not stop me at loss. Rather, I'll have to be patient for the market to gain.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I don't like closer stop loss because I'm not ready to lose.
Yes.
It's rather a wait to gain than for you to cut at loss and still gain, because it's not that my analysis is wrong, it's right, but maybe timing is wrong.
Yeah. So when it hits it will cut you out.
Yeah, sometimes the market can cut you at loss and see reverse to your direction because of timing. Yeah.
Yes.
So, but it's based on your risk. People that have bigger risk used to use closer stop loss because their risk is high.
Yeah, they don't want to wait for too long.
Yes. When they wait for it to be a problem. So when we discuss risk management, we will develop a lot of models that you write down the kind of loss size you should be put in. The platform we use is good because sometimes when you put the platform, when you put a trade on them, you see how much potential profit it will be and how much potential loss it will be, even you without calculating it on pips. So I can put a take profit now, maybe on 1.36775, for example. Take profit 1.36775.
Okay. 36775.
Yeah. So now on this note now, it's similar to what I did with Ogonna. Ogonna, I consciously put a take profit for her where it easily caught at profit. But I didn't tell you guys.
Mm.
Mm.
So if it gets to that point, sorry, if it gets to that point of the take profit and it breaks this resistance that you said, and it goes up, you're supposed to buy again, take another profit.
Yeah, sure. If you're a buyer, remain a buyer. Like you say, I'm getting $5 because I use one lot. This one lot means $1 per movement.
Okay. I want to write that down. I don't understand that.
Okay, yeah. We will discuss lot now.
Okay. It means $1 per movement. Okay.
Maybe we are not going to discuss commodity trading again. We'll discuss it on Thursday. But I wanted to discuss it with you guys today a bit so that we could do it on Wednesday. We can trade commodity on Wednesday. I don't know if I can be able to fix another class before Wednesday. For those who have commodity accounts, you can trade.
Okay, will commodity account be different from the normal FX account?
No, it's not different, but it's not different. What I mean is that the money is not the same amount. If your money is small, we don't encourage you to trade commodity.
Okay, like what's the minimum you can use in trading commodity?
I trade oil. Minimum should be the broker I use. Our contract is 10 cents. She have about 2,000 to 3,000 on 10 cents. That's my own recommendation. No, some people can see 1,500. My own recommendation.
Commodity is oil and gold.
Different type of commodity. But agriculture, they're all commodities. Gold and oil is much volatile. So we don't encourage 500. One thing about this business is it's no issue of minimum, it's issue of having a successful account, a kind that can make you to do well. Like you see, I'm getting $13 from it. Now, assuming I have a bigger loss size, like let's say 10 loss size, this would be $150.
Okay.
Yeah. So if
10 lot size, that would be like 1 million units.
Yeah, probably. No, 10,000 units.
Wow.
It's 10,000 units. So because this is 1,000 units. So now if I 0.01, the one I'm gonna use, this should be 3 cents. Now it will not be much. Why did we place this trade now? We place this trade because of support and resistance analysis. It's not because of that fundamental that happened on Friday. Understand why? So I check it, it has gotten to that point. So I have to place it.
So can you help me with mine? I don't know, I'm in loss. I don't know what's happening.
Sorry?
Trading with you. I don't know. My own, I think I'm in a loss of 12 cents. I don't know if there's anything I'm not getting.
Oh.
Rightly.
Wait. You guys are trading the same market.
I'm following you. I am. I don't know for others, but I'm trading with you.
Don't worry, you shouldn't bother. It's not the same platform.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe the spread the charge is not the same, but you are also at the right point. After this meeting, you can send us a chat.
Okay, so should I cancel from here? Should I leave?
No. You can leave it. You will gain it. You place a sell, right?
The analysis will still be the same.
Yeah, it's some analysis. Leave it. When you gain, we'll let you know.
I didn't put a stop loss. It's take profit only.
No, put a stop loss. When you put a stop, if you put a stop loss, put it based on the amount. Don't put it based on figure. Maybe if you want to put a stop loss at $3, you can put $3. If you put it on type it on dollar side. Don't type it on the pips. But are you doing that?
Sorry, sir. A call came to my phone, it threw me out. I don't even know where I am anymore. Can you see my screen?
You want to share your screen?
You said I should put, I don't know if I heard it correctly. Did you say I should put a stop loss on the amount?
Yes, put your stop loss based on amount, figure. Don't put it based on pips.
Okay. On amount, okay, an amount of loss, something, right?
Yeah, let's say now, let's assume you have $100 account. You want to put stop loss on $2 or $3. That's 3%.
Okay.
Or $5.
Okay.
You put it from that 0.01.
Okay. I just did it. Okay. I've done it.
Any question? When it gains, we'll let you know. Then we could have a quick session with you and close it. But if you have known how to close it, we just like to let you know. We don't know your contact anyway. We know Antonia contact. So let us know your contact so we can be able to, any trade we're trading, we know how we traded it and
so how can I share my contact?
No, not here. How do you contact us? Is it through, how did you get to know us? Is it through website or through WhatsApp, through Instagram?
No, through Google. I Googled about you, so
I mean, how you registered about us? I mean, with us.
Yes,
if you have our
from
contact, maybe
Instagram.
WhatsApp or something. Yeah, maybe
yes,
send
I
us
have
a
your
WhatsApp.
Instagram, yeah, Andrew.
Okay. Send us something on Instagram. We get probably your WhatsApp or easy way to communicate to you about your trade. Then and let you know.
I also chat with your virtual assistant too. Should I say hi to
Okay. Okay, yeah. You could chat. We are trade 100 at that page. So so that we can know that now we have a thread on Chef US card. You're selling. Now Canada is strong, dollar is strong. So let's see what's gonna play out. Dollar has already hitting resistance of Canada. So let's see whether Canada will fight back to put the price back to the original strength. You know what I mean? So these are the things that you look out for when you are trading on support and resistance. So our next class, we discuss commodity trading. Because we're almost running up on forex. Make sure you watch those videos more often. So we'll be matching all of them. This is our second week of your class. No, this is third week of our class. So your class will end next week. So those who are not trading, please let us know if we can assist you to set up an account. You can start trading as soon as possible. Then we discuss commodity trading. This is in a general one, but I'm tired. I want to end this meeting now. That will be our next class. I don't know how we'll do it with you, whether I will fix. I have all your contact here. People who are on this class, I have them. So I may send you a private message and fix a quick class before Wednesday when we will trade on commodity. But if I could not do that, expect that you are coming in on Thursday for normal commodity class trading. Then we'll know whether we can move you up to cryptocurrency. I'm not the one that will teach on that one. There's someone that will teach on that one, and also move you back again to technical analysis. That's another person that will teach you technical analysis, another level of analysis on technical, on forex. Then I will emphasize more on commodity trading next week, till your class ends. Then we can now follow up from there. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then those on our 6 months class, some of them are here. I see one person that's on 6 months is here. Okay, 2 person on 6 months is here. Then we can follow from there. Follow up and make sure we cover all the curriculums. But that one does not stop you from receiving assistance from us. Then I shared WhatsApp channel. We have created the WhatsApp channel for people. to join. I don't know whether you got anyone. Join the channel so that it will be easier for us to announce. Again, this is the Zoom meeting. We are not changing the Zoom ID. Always be using it. So we will not be sending you, in case you didn't receive new one, this is the one we'll be using to teach you until your training is over. Do you understand?
Okay.
So for me, I'm happy that those of us who are trading and making profit, I'm sure if anyone is trading on the same thing on their own different brokerage account, you also be making profit. So if you have any question, you can ask me. This will be our next class on commodity market. Then I will be able to narrow it down to oil and gas and gold. Then if you want to trade on our other spot product, then the same information also covers you. So we will discuss about gold, silver, and copper, oil, natural gas, and energy. Then we discuss about agricultural products like wheat, coffee, soybean, and corn. Those are available on exchange. Then we also discuss about livestock. Then we discuss with you how it can be traded. Me personally, we trade on exchange, not just on derivative level only. So we can be able to teach you the same way we do it on New York Stock Mercantile Exchange, Chicago Board of Trustee, London Mental Exchange, Intercontinental Exchange, and Chicago Mechanized Exchange. So we let you know about different commodity contracts you can have, like futures, option, spot, and commodity ETF, and how you can be able to navigate it. Some of these things is beyond this platform you are using. There are other platforms you can maximize them. Then we talk about factors that affect them, such as supply, demand, political event, weather condition, and some other economic indicators. Then how you can take advantage of all these things, like to diversify it, to hedge it, and the profit you can make in being a commodity trader. Then and we also discuss with the risk of commodity trading, such as volatility risk, leverage risk, those who trade on risk, then market speculation, and regulatory risk. Then from there, we can get you started, how you can trade. It's easy to trade commodity too than forex. I will not discourage you about, because forex analysis takes time, but for commodity analysis takes shorter time. Forex is, you need to consider a lot of factors on FS, but less factors on commodities. Any question? And I don't know if you can make a comment.
I have a question.
Okay.
Sorry, it's so this, you traded on USD and CAD. These are two strong currencies with what we just checked now. I thought you should have been trading on the weak and the strong one.
Yeah, no. Why I place on trade on here is one. On Canada has a positive news and is strong. And dollar is strong, but currently they are on resistant level.
Mm-hmm.
So Canada is possible to resist this thing. But assuming it's here, assuming the price is here, believe me, it's not good to like even sell it. But here it has gotten to that level. Let me tell you something. As dollar is strong, it can go weak. If it can, by maybe in the next 5-6 days time, it may drop to 40% or 50%. Then here now is another short trade on euro. On euro. For me, what we should be looking at for here is buying opportunity, not selling.
Okay.
Because euro has gone weak. Not that euro is starting to go weak. It has already gone weak. It will look for a way to rebound. Do you understand? Now,
yes, sir. So we're buying opportunity there.
Yeah, we're looking at for buying opportunity because of this sharp drop. In the next few coming weeks or days, it may go up, but right now it has not formed a support. So that's why the price may fall further. Yeah, why here? There's a resistance here. Sorry, where is it? Where's Canada? Have I closed it? Yeah, well, yeah, there's a resistance point. It's already at the resistance point, and it didn't break, and it has not broken it. That's the same reason I asked Antonia to close her thread here, because here is also trying to form a resistance. It will not break, it may break. So to be on the safer side, it could have been good she buying here than buying at this price.
Okay, sorry, so what chart are you? Is it a daily chart or hourly?
I use
want to
daily
know what
chart.
you're using. Daily.
I use daily chart more. Yeah.
Okay, so now euro is down. Can we? Sorry, are you done with it? You can go ahead. Sorry.
No, ask a question.
No, as in now euro is down, should we start looking at pairing euro with some other currencies to check out if there are other opportunities there?
Sure. You can start developing a strategy small, making observations. So sure. Why I don't want us to buy euro is because of that support zone that it has not formed. Although this gap, yes, this gap has some meaning. When market open with a gap, it's most likely going to cover this gap. In future, yeah, definitely it will rise. I know it's starting it will rise. Yeah. We may also buy it, but I just want to know whether today it will fall further, because it does not make sense placing the buy now, then it fall to maybe this point. It will make us not to gain peak.
Okay.
Yeah. So let us know whether it's going to form more like a resistance point. Let me check 4 hours chart to show you a sign of it. Sort of sign of support. Even 4 hours, 4 hours still okay. Something like this. You see something like this now. Assuming it form something like this, cover up to this point. Cover up this point now. We know that okay, it's forming a support. Probably it will go up. Then we can trigger our buy probably on 4 hours. Do you understand? So it has not formed that on daily.
Okay. So we have to check
small.
the other pairs now to know if there are also opportunities.
Yeah. Well, first of all, opportunity for example, this is Britain Pound USD. Britain Pound USD is on support. It's on previous support, but this one have not formed, but it's on previous support. So most likely, the dollar may not crash below up to this point, because technically, if you check this chart, technically, look at the trend for the year. There's no doubt about it. Look at the trend for the year. Do you understand? Technically, look at the trend for the year. There's no doubt about it. As it's a drop here, it's most likely going to move up again.
Okay.
Yeah. It will move up again. But here is also a short time resistant, but not a zone.
All right. Thank you.
Do you understand?
Yes. Yeah.
So now, technically, we could enter a short volume buy here and put a stop loss at 1.255, 2595. Then I'll put a take profit here. Put a take profit at 1.280. I push the stop loss a bit far. Or we keep our take profit open. I like to keep take profit open more than closing it. So like example is what happened on your account Ogona. Assuming there's no take profit, the market will just fall and get more for you. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the advantage. So, any question?
Sorry, sir. Again, on the news, like getting the updates on news and what is happening, is there what we can subscribe to, like the newsletters, the way you actually know, like what happened on Friday? Do you subscribe to newsletters like that?
Okay, let me use 5 minutes to explain to you about upcoming opportunities apart from technical.
Okay.
Now, I'm sharing something on the chat, the WhatsApp channel. And anyone can click and join. Now, this week is second week of the month. If you go here, if you go on forexfactor.com use forex factory for now. We check some potential information. Okay, there's news on dollar on Wednesday. Wow. So on Wednesday, we have crude oil inventory by 3:30. We have core CPI. Those things we discussed are not from on our fundamental. We have CPI. We have FOMC, the federal bank rate. Wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. That means there's strong news coming up on dollar. Then we have Canadian board of this thing speaking. And this, that means what I place on dollar and Canada is a power torso. Definitely, dollar may not break their resistance because Canada is having a news coming up. So if the news is positive, it's gonna be a very good one. Then on Thursday we'll have unemployment change on AUD. Use the same analysis we have on dollar to trade it. They will have unemployment rate. They will have core retail, core PPI. Then on Asian market, we have this. So these are potential opportunities we have on this week that will trigger more volatility. Now you check that our previous note on YouTube. You see how we analyze this federal rates. The previous one is 5.5. They're expecting that it should be 5.50 as well. Then if the rate is high, that means it may trigger more stronger dollar. Probably that's why dollar have not formed support yet. Let's say we see 6 point, 7 point, or 8 point here. It means that the interest rate has gone up, and it might attract investors, and dollar will be more strong. On that note, euro may fall more, and euro may fall more, and every other currency paid in dollar may be weaker. I mean, where the dollar is based may be more weaker, and then you can buy more. Just take note of this, and we'll let you know once it triggers. Then we'll have FOMC state projection, what they're expecting. This is not a forecast. They will make a statement of what they're talking about and their statement for the year. So on Thursday is when they will release the new interest rate to see what's going to happen. It's a very serious event on dollar. Now, those things now, we try to harmonize them on technical analysis. So if the interest rate is the same, remember, if the interest rate is the same, 5.50, and the market is already low on Euro US, it's time for us to start buying Euro because nothing changed. It's the same.
Okay.
Yeah, we can buy Euro USD. Start buying it because non-farm payroll impact cannot just be there. There are a lot of other impact that will be coming up in the market. If you check from your chart, Antonia, you will see that from what we analyze, many people are already placing a buy on the sentiment. 85% have taken buy positions because definitely they want to key in any small rise, they'll cash out. That's how it works. I don't know if you have any question, anyone. Any question?
So I don't have any question.
So are you guys satisfied with the analysis and whatever today? Is it interesting?
Yes, sir, but
Yes.
I have.
Yes.
But yeah, some people
I have one question, please.
Okay. Who's asking me the question?
It's okay now.
Okay.
Is it safe to say that when one wants to trade, for example, that one of the maybe top 2 or top 3 things you have to look at is this support resistance, the issue of which currency is weak and the one that is strong. Does it mean that these two appears to be like a cardinal points, like the most important thing one has to look at, or important indices you have to look at before you make a trade, whether you're buying or you're selling? Is it safe to say that? Because why I'm asking it is so that one can concentrate on gaining more knowledge in certain things. You understand? That's my point of view.
Yes, it is okay. Why is like that? Is that as a trader, you pick one or two things you'll be looking at for when you want to trade. So those things will form your strategy for you. Do you understand? Now,
Yes,
strong currency, Ayuga currency is technical. You can use it to trade on a short-term note or long-term note and make good amount of money from it. Then, support and resistance is an ancient strategy that has never failed. It's always there. So you can use it to make your decisions. Even when you see a news, you check where the price of that news, the price of that asset is, whether it's actually extremely good for you to buy at that price or sell at that price. Because a lot of factors influences the market. So those things will guide you. Then what I talk about trend, let me repeat it again. That's a sign I give on Britain pound. That's for example, Britain pound. This is trend for the year. For now, this trend or price action on Britain pound. What can you say about Britain pound, Mr. Ikena? Mr. Ikena, what can you say on this market will rise when you place a buy here? Okay, you're not listening to me probably, maybe your internet. So now you can see within the year, the trend is up. The trend is up. So even if you see a sharp drop, it's an opportunity for you to like key in as a trader. The sell I had here is gaining. Probably this person should also be selling, gaining its own. So it's an opportunity for you to like key in here as a key in more buying position. Because of on Euro US, on Britain pound USD, Britain pound has been dominating dollar for almost since this year. So their currency is on the higher side, or it's on the rising side and falling side. Do you understand? So check out these things and use them to trade. If you follow them, you're making good profit without having issues. Then, so secondly, is risk management. We will discuss that one in our next class. I don't know if I'm okay to go now. Ask me a question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. So this video will be made available for all of us. I wanted to tell you something about, let me use the 7 minutes to say it, or 5 minutes, then I will close immediately. About lot size, somebody asked about it since it's recorded. Lot size calculation. See, on the loss calculation, when you use 0.01 in some pairs, it will equal to 1 cent per movement. Then, and you may have about $20 margin, but margin varies. Margin varies. So if you use 0.05, for example, you will have about 50 cents. No, 5 cents. 5 cents per movement, 5 cents. Then when you use like 0.05, Okay, let me say 0.10. You're talking about 10 cents per movement. Then those using I made a mistake here. This is 0.05. If you're using 0.5, you're talking about 50 cents per movement. Then if you're using 1, you're talking about $1 per movement. So if you're using like 10 lot size, you're talking about $10 per movement.
It's 1 lot size is the same as 100,000 units, right?
No, 1 lot size should be 1,000 units.
Okay.
I think, yeah, because of the standardized contract, it should be 1,000. 10 should be 10,000. 100 should be 100,000. I mean, do you understand what I said? I just said, for those who are asking me for lot sizes, this is what they represent. This is how you be making profit from trading. Then if you want to gain like $2 per movement, you can use 2. Then it will put like exactly, this is how they have done it. But on commodities, it's not the same. On commodities, it's not the same. So you could have like 0.01. It will give you 10 cents. 10 cents. Not 1 cent again. So if you have 0.50, then it will give you $5. Then if you have 1 lot, it will give you $10. Sorry, $10. So this is the reason why we recommend not every account should trade commodities. So because of this contract is big than the regular forex. So this is all about it. We will discuss more on it when we do a risk management class, and I believe all of you will get value on it. So I thank you for being here. We have spent the entire 3 hours without being on break. So we use the last hour and go for your break. So if you have any question, you can chat us up or let me know. If you want to register with our brokers, with the one we are using, you can register on. You can register through GFT, but we use AvaTrade. If you have problem with verification or whatever, we can use other alternative platform, maybe automated platform, algorithm platform, and stuff like that to assist you to start making money while you're trading. Then I think that will be where we'll end it now. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. If you have anything to say, just say it now.
Nothing much to say, sir. Just to say thank you for helping me to record my first profit on my trade. Thank you. We look forward to.
Yeah, yes, those of us that has a live trade, make sure you communicate. We'll keep in touch, speak as quick as possible, because we'll be looking into those trades and be showing you more. Then we'll be dropping more trade on our channels. Please, just be following that channels. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.